Hi everyone, let's take a look at this question, how to solve for a, b, c. The value of a, b, c we are asked to find. So what is the value of a, what is the value of b, what is the value of c? Solution. We have that 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equal to 148. Here, what we need to do first is to have 2 to the power of a divided by 2 to the power of a. Then will be multiplied by the expression 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equal to 148. Now we can divide this, we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of a into bracket 2 to the power of a over 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b over 2 to the power of a, then plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of a, all equal to 148. Now what we need to do is to rewrite this as 2 to the power of a into brackets, this cancel out with this, we have 1 over here, plus 2 to the power of b over 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of a equal to, all into bracket, equal to 148. Now we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of c minus a into bracket equal to 148. Now from here we can split this as 2 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of c minus a into bracket equal to, this can be simplified as 4 multiplied by 37. So such that we regard this to equate this and this to be equate with this. So we have 2 to the power of a equal to 4. Then we also have 1 plus 2 to the power of b minus a, then plus 2 to the power of c minus a into bracket equal to 37. So here we can find our a from this side, and that gives us 2a, 2 to the power of a equal to 2 to the power of 2 if we put this in base 2, and this implies that a equal to 2. So one of the value we are asked to find, a, is now equal to 2. Now the next thing is to find our b. So what we need to do next, from this expression, we have that 1 plus 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of c minus a equal to 37. If we subtract 1 from both sides, if we subtract 1 here, minus 1 over here, minus 1 over here, then our expression becomes 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of c minus a equal to 36. Now we rewrite this as 2 to the power of b over 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of a equal to 36. Now this gives us 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of a equal to 36. But our a is given as 2 from our earlier value of a. So it's given as 2. So we substitute that here. So we have 2 to the power of b, 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c will now be equal to 2 to the power of 2 equal to 36. And this is given as 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equal to 2 to the power of 2 is given as 4 equal to 36. We multiply this with this, we have 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equal to 36 multiplied by 4, and that gives us 36 then multiply by 4. So this is given as 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equal to, so we can simplify this 36 as 4 multiplied by 9 then multiply by 4, which is this 4. So here this can be written as 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equal to 4 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9. Now from here we can also divide and multiply the left hand side by 2 to the power of b, and that gives us 2 to the power of b into brackets 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c all over 2 to the power of b, which is into brackets equal to 4 to the power of 2 then multiply by 9. And this is given as 2 to the power of b into brackets 2 to the power of b over 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of b into brackets equal to 4 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9. So this cancels out with this. We have this to be 2 to the power of b into brackets 1 plus, and this is written as 2 to the power of c subtract by b into brackets equal to 4 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9. Now we can equate this with this and also equate this in the brackets with 9. So we have b, we have 2 to the power of b equal to 4 to the power of 2, and this is given as, this implies that 2 to the power of b is equal to 2 to the power of 2 then to the power of 2, which is written as 2 to the power of b is equal to 2 to the power of 4. So from 2 to the power of b equal to 2 to the power of 4, we can conclude that b is equal to 4. So we've gotten our value of b as well. A equal to 2, then b equal to 4. So we now proceed with the other expression. We have 1 plus 2 to the power of c minus b is what we have left, and that is equal to 9. We subtract 1 from both sides, so we have 1 minus 1 plus 2 to the power of c minus b equal to 9 minus 1. And this gives us 2 to the power of c minus b equal to 8. Then our b equal to 4. So we have our expression to be 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of b equal to 8. So our b equal to 4. We have 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of 4 equal to 8. So 2 to the power of 4 is given as 16. So we have 2 to the power of c over 16 equal to 8. And that can be expressed as 2 to the power of c equal to 8 multiplied by 16. And we can simplify the right hand side as 2 to the power of c equal to 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. So we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of c equal to 2 to the power of 3 plus 4. And this gives us 2 to the power of c equal to 2 to the power of 7. So this implies that our c equal to 7. So this implies that the value of a equal to 2 and b equal to 4, then c equal to 7. As the required value they ask us to find for a, b, c. So let's check if this value is correct. From our question, we have 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equal to 148. So if we insert this value of a, b, c into the expression, we have 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of 7 equal to 148. 2 to the power of 2 equal to 4, 2 to the power of 4 equal to 16. Then 2 to the power of 7 give us 128, all equal to 148. Is that equal to 148? So if we add this left hand side together, we are going to arrive at 148, and that will be equal to 148. The left hand side is now equal to the right hand side, which proves that our value of a, b, c as a equal to 2, b equal to 4, and c equal to 7 are correct value. So if you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to this channel, and share the video to other people that are in need of it. So don't forget the tips. These are interesting steps you need to take note for challenges like this, so you can easily and confidently handle questions like this. So don't forget, make sure you subscribe, and let's grow this channel to a bigger audience. And I will see you in the next interesting lesson.